So you have started a YouTube channel, uploaded a few videos, but haven't put intros in those videos. Wait, by intro, I don't mean hi, my name is Tess and welcome to my channel, etc. etc. Intro is like the branding of your channel, like this. And in this particular short video, I'll show you a super free and easy way to create a stunning 3D intro on your smartphone. That too in a few simple steps. The links are given in the description below. So guys, let's get started. First, open the search engine and type onemaker.io. And then open it. This is the onemaker.io's welcome page. Click on 3-line menu icon on the top left and select the logos and intro category. You can also sort it by free, newest, most popular, and most views. Here you will find numerous templates. Choose anyone and explore the creative world. I will choose this one. This is our editor page. Here you can change your images, text, color, audio, etc. according to your project. So to change text, click here and change it accordingly. To change font, click here. And to change font color, click here. To upload the logo, click on Upload Logo 01. Logo should be in PNG format. Select your logo, click on Done. Then hit on the crop button. For more settings, click here on Advanced Settings. Click on the audio track to upload your audio track. You can also change your video size. Then hit on Export and Update Video. Our video is rendering. To make HD video, click on Make Free HD Video. To change or edit something, click on Back to Edit. To download low resolution, click on Download Low Resolution. I'm going to make HD video, so click on Make Free HD Video. This is our sign up page. You can simply sign up here without entering your bank or card details and get 15 days free trial to enhance your creativity. Your HD video render has been started. To upgrade your plan, click here and select among yearly, monthly or lifetime plans at very minimum prices. To download HD video, click on the download icon here and your HD video download has been started. So that's how to make a 3D intro on your smartphone with onemaker.io. And if you really want some more easy to follow editing tutorials just like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and I'll see you next time.